Hey there, everybody. I know you're wondering where I've been for the last few weeks, but it's what? Nobody gives a flying. Okay, that's just rude. Anyway, I've been on vacation for the last few weeks, and what? Shouldn't you work first before you take a vacation? You know what? Anyway, I've been on vacation for a few weeks, but for a while I've been wanting to make something which is vegan chicken noodle soup. So we can. What? Don't you already have a video for that? Yeah, I kinda do. Well, I have a video I made last year for non-vegan chicken noodle soup, but this is one of those situations where the vegan version isn't 100% interchangeable with the non-vegan. What did I just do? Anyway, there are some slight differences to the vegan version and to the non-vegan version. And speaking of that, I'm dedicating this video to my friend Tia and my friend Mackenzie. They're both vegans and they're both vegan customers of mine, and I'm sure they'll enjoy this recipe, so let's do it. Now, you should be already familiar with our chicken and our pasta. So why don't we just go over to the what? That doesn't look like the same kind of noodles you used last time. Yeah, you're right. Last time I used egg noodles, but this is vegan, so that's not happening. What we have right here is some rotini. Anyway, let's what? I never asked before, but do you make your own rotini? Actually, the thing is, although it's true that I do make most of my pastas, this rotini right here, I actually bought at the store. Don't judge me. Anyway, let's just what? Isn't there a vegan version of egg noodles? You know, I didn't think there was, but literally this morning I found out that a very popular retailer seems to be the only place that sells a version of vegan egg style noodles. So next time I go to that store or next time I go on that website, I'll pick some up. But for right now, we're going to stick with this rotini. Now, we have our carrots cooking, and then we'll add celery, rotini, and finally the chicken. And as you will probably remember from the earlier chicken noodle soup video, I switched back from boiling to simmering to boiling to simmering, and if you're wondering why I do that so many times, it just produces the best flavor to me. And I'm going to simmer this bad boy one more time right after I added my seasoning. Did I just call soup a bad boy? Well, anyway, I'm going to simmer it one more time for about 4 minutes. Now that right there is a hearty bowl of deliciousness. Every time I make soup, I keep telling people that, it's like, soup is so easy to make. As soon as people realize that, and then they make the soup, they'll be able to stay away from that condensed stuff. And I'm pretty sure that Tia and Mackenzie will enjoy this as well. But why should we stop there? Why don't we also have... I do usually make a sandwich whenever I make soup, but this time, let's just eat some of our breadsticks. What? You go to an Italian restaurant, they have soup and breadsticks on the menu, don't they? Of course, these are cheese-filled. You remember these. I guess I should just deal with the fact that I'm never going to stop taking huge bites of things sometimes. Anyway, you can also still dip it in the sauce as well. And what? Dip the sauce into the soup? You can, I guess, but it sounds kind of weird. But why even stop with the soup and the breadstick? Why don't you just wash everything down with a delicious mango yogurt smoothie? It's the same as a peach yogurt smoothie, except for, of course, it's mango yogurt instead. I'll put the recipe down there. And I'm sure that Tia and Mackenzie will enjoy this as well. that is going to do it. And of course, you know by now where to find all the recipes. Thanks for being with me. I'll see you again soon. And what? That's using your noodle. I think I've used that one already. Anyway, thanks for being with me. I'll see you again soon. And what? If you don't like the breadsticks, you can breadstick it up your ass. I told you I'm not saying that. I'll see you guys again soon. And what? I can be your Superman. Oh, Lord. I'll see y'all again soon. Maybe I should have said I can be your